Dear learners, how are you? I think all of you are safe and sound at home. Dear learners, we are going to start a new class of Alim on article. And you know that in our previous class, we discussed punctuation. Today we will discuss article. Before going to my discussion, I want to make you clarify one thing, that what is article and what is the use of article. Actually, a, an, and the, we call a and the article, okay? A and an is definite article, indefinite article, and the is definite article. Okay, so if we find that an object is singular, we have to use article a or an. Whenever we find the objects are plural, we have to use the. Okay. At first, I want to come this a or an. Okay. If you find that the object is singular, you have to use a or n, but you cannot use a or n whatever you like. You have to follow some rules in terms of using article a or n. Okay, especially when the object is singular. For example, if you find the object is like apple, okay, education, institution, okay. So before putting article, you have to find out the pronunciation of the given word. Okay. So if you find the pronunciation of vowel, okay, you have to use article n. Whenever you find consonant sound, you have to use article a. Okay, that means before vowel sound, you have to use article n. Okay, when the subject is singular, and when you find consonant sound, you have to use article a. Okay. Okay. So what is vowel? A, E, I, O, U. These 5 letters are vowel among 26 letters. And others are consonants, except these 5 letters. Okay, if you find actually vowel sound, you have to put article n before this vowel sound. Whenever you find consonant sound, you have to put article a. But remember one thing, that when the object is singular, okay, when the objects are plural, you have to use article the. You cannot use a or n before plural objects. Okay, so there are a lot of uses of article the. Okay, like the name of newspaper, before the name of newspaper, put article the. Okay, the name of stars, okay, planets, you have to use article the. Okay, before you use article the. Okay, these are another thing. Just I want to make clear, clarify one thing, that an, okay, you have to use article an when you find singular objects, and you have to use article the, okay, when you find plural objects. So let's come to our discussion. In this discussion, you can see that I have written half pages for you to make you understand. So come to our discussion. Okay, you can see that dash and his dash industrial insect. Okay, before putting article, you have to find out the sound of the word, given word. And this word and starts with vowel sound and a. You have to follow in the working. These steps. It is vowel test. You can call it vowel test. Okay. And a. Okay. Vowel sound. So you have to put article and here. Okay. And. Okay. Is dash industrious. Is industrious. Okay. Is industrious. So you have to follow, okay, the beginning letter, beginning sound of the word. You can see that industrious. Here a lot of syllables here. But you have to put down first syllable here. Industrious. So you can say industrious. E. So E is here. Okay. So it is consonant vowel sound. So if you find vowel sound, you have to put article and. So and is an industrious insect. Okay. Bees are also industrious insects. Bees are also industrious insects. But this gap requires no article. That means you have to put cross here. Okay. If we observe the life of the successful man. So if you observe the life of that successful man, here you can see that man. Man is singular. Okay. If you find M-A-N, man, it is singular noun. If you find M-E-N, man, it is plural noun. Okay. Besides, okay, you can similarly you can say that woman and woman. Okay. You can see that this. If you find M-A-N singular, M-E-N means plural. Women, similarly, women, singular plural noun. Okay. So you can see that man. Here man is singular. So you have to use article a or n. You cannot use article the. But article the may be used for plural objects. Okay. Besides, you can use article the for planners, for name of the planners, name of the newspaper. Okay. Before for the degree. Also, if you see that, if you can understand that. Okay, the incidents are okay definite. Okay, so you can use article the to indicate. So here you can see that there is only one man in this singular. That is article a or n. There is no scope of using article the. Okay, so man. So successful. You have to put emphasis on first syllables of a given word. This success, that means okay, in terms of pronouncing successful, the first syllable of successful is sa. That means it is similar to vowel consonant sound. So you have to put article a here. We will find that he is also industrious. He is also industrious. Okay, here it is adjective. Okay, so you have to use cross here. It refers to article. Dash industrious are. Okay. Industrious are. You can see that this R is plural. This R is used in terms of indicating plural noun. That means these industries are plural. Industries mean the people who work hard. Okay, the people who work hard, the people who are laborious. Okay, so industrious is a plural noun. So before plural, okay, object, you have to use article the industrious are appreciated by all. On the other hand, dash lay idle. Idle means the people who don't like to work. They want to just eat, take rest without doing any hard work. They're working hard. Okay, that people are called idle. So here you can see that R. R means R is used in terms of indicating plural noun. Okay. So these idle are plural. That is why. Okay. For that reason, you have to put article here the. Okay. So industry is dash must. Before must, you have to use article a. in most of the cases, we find that before article, before must, okay, we use article a, like such or many, such. After such, you have to use article a or an. Okay, or many, you have to use article a or an. In terms of the finding, okay, sound of the letter syllable, such, and, many, a. Okay, but you have to put article a or an after such or many. But in terms of the word must, you have to use article a before must. Okay, it is a must to prosper in life. Okay, so there will be clause. The question is that why I have put clause here, because okay, generally after preposition it refers no article, but in general, but in some you can say that in the morning. Okay, in the morning. But here article is done in the morning. There are some exceptional rules. Okay, there are some exceptional sentences, phrases. Okay, but basically or in general, after any preposition, you have to put okay, no article. You have to put clause sign. Okay, so this is exceptional. Okay, phrase or you say words. So in life, we all know that industry is the key to success, and laziness leads us to misfortune. So we can say that to is infinitive. Okay, or you can sometimes this called preposition. So after preposition or infinitive, there will be no article, or it will not require any article. Okay, so to there you have to put clause. Okay, so I have tried my best to make you understand. Okay, what is article and what is the use of article, definite article, and indefinite article. Okay, so if you find that the object is indefinite, okay, not definite, we have to use article a. If we find the objects are definite, we use article the. You have to remember another thing that if the objects if the objects are singular, now they have to put article a. Okay, in terms of finding sound of the syllable of the given word, first syllable of the given word, and if you find plural objects, you have to use article noun. Okay, so in our next class we will discuss on new topic. Until then, Allah Hafiz.